Hey guys, welcome to another video on Brand Device where we talk about business and finance in Germany in English. My name is Bharat and in this video I want to talk about the renewable energy stocks, ETFs, and which one of them I've actually bought in my Scalable Capital portfolio. On Scalable Capital you have this kind of dashboard, and if you've already bought a stock, it will show up in the portfolio section. So you click on that. If you want to buy more shares of it, you can just directly click on the kaufen part, and if you want to just sell them, then the verkaufen part. So that goes very easily without any kind of problems whatsoever. Now, like you guys know, I'm really focusing right now on dividend investing. That is, like, I'm trying to choose stocks which are paying out dividends and are also growing their dividends for the past few years. So TransAlta Renewables is a very nice company in that regard. They have different kind of wind, solar and hydroelectric power plants in different states in Canada and in Australia. So they are like pretty decent in that way. It is not the biggest company in this sector. There are definitely like bigger ones which I'm going to share with you afterwards. And if you want to take a look at the ISIN number and the WKN number, it is right here at the bottom. You can always take a look at that in your Scalable Capital portfolio. Another nice feature in Scalable Capital is that if there are some kind of sustainable ETFs which are there for selection, you will see a green leaf symbol right next to it. For example, this iShares MSCI World ESG. ESG is environmental, social and governance, something like that. So this is very nice. I mean, if you want to quickly acknowledge what kind of ETFs are directly focusing on the sustainable ideology, then you have that right here. And ETFs are especially useful for people who do not want to just spend the time in picking and choosing stock all the time. Another interesting ETF for clean energy is the iShares Clean Energy ETF. But if you will take a look at actually the distribution, what are the top holdings and stuff like that, you would see that these are the very big names. These companies are then also focusing towards cleaner energy in the upcoming years. So this is the reason why these are also like inside. So you can research about different kind of ETFs by directly going to their websites and see what kind of major companies are included there. If you're happy with the company, you can go ahead and buy that ETF. Otherwise, if you do not want those companies inside, then you can take a look at other ETFs. A simple Google search on renewable energy ETFs is going to solve that problem for you. Whenever you're choosing an ETF, make sure that it is profitable. That means the fund size is generally bigger so that it doesn't get dissolved. The second thing is that make sure that the total expense ratio, so the fee that is being charged for having that fund, is lower. So once you have these two things sorted out and you like the companies you're investing in, then you can go ahead, search it on Scalable Capital just by directly going to the search feature here, put it inside, and then you have the ETF which you can buy directly. For me right now, TransAlta Renewables fits completely fine, but there are also some other energy stocks that I'm planning on investing in, and I'm going to share it with you now. The first one that I find really interesting is the NextEra Energy. So it has a market cap of $150 billion, which is like really big. And then afterwards, if you take a look at the dividends, they have also been increasing dividends for the last 25 years, which is nice. Then afterwards, if you take a look at the Brookfield Renewable Energy Partners, this is also having a big market capitalization of around $18 billion. And if you take a look at the dividends here, the dividends are nice because it still has a 10 years growth, but you could be pretty sure that over the next few years they are going to be increasing the dividends, because for renewable energy stocks, especially right now, there is a huge growth potential in the future. Then you have the First Solar stock. So this is also nice, but like nothing for the people who are doing dividend investing, because if you take a look at the dividends, they haven't started paying it out yet. So that is a story. But then you take a look at TransAlta. So the nice thing about it is it has been paying out the dividends monthly. So of course, this is what I'm like focusing on right now. The dividend has not increased. I'm not too worried about it, because these kind of companies are going to have a lot more focus once the global warming issue becomes the focus of all of the major governments. Now, the reason why I always say that whatever investing strategy you're choosing, it has to be individual to your needs. So it is like very custom. It depends on what kind of person you are, what kind of companies do you like, what kind of companies you would like to invest in, and be a small owner of that company. So that's why, spend some time. If you do not want to spend some time, there's always the easy way, which is just like, buying the MSCI World ETF and investing there, or buying the S&P 500 ETF and investing there. These two are always the simpler ways you can go about if you do not want to crack your head and just like read through all of the financial reports and see like what kind of stock is performing how and what is going to be the future prognosis for those kind of stocks and so on. And this is how I started. I started by simply buying one share of MSCI World ETF. So that was back then I think around 55 euros or something. And that's it. That's how I started. And then afterwards I set up a savings plan so that every single month you're investing in that ETF automatically, which you can cancel anytime. So this is also something that you can do on the Scalable Capital platform, and you can do it with as little as 25 euros. So you don't need to invest like 500 euros, 200 euros whatsoever. Set up a savings plan, 25 euros per month. That's all good. And at least you're starting early, because you talk to any investor and the main thing that they will tell you is that the only regret that they had is they did not start investing early enough. Scalable Capital is offering a 25 euro sign-up bonus till 30th November. Previously it was 31st October, now they have extended it. But again, this is your last chances. So if you want to get the 25 euro sign-up bonus, use the link given in the description and sign up for the depot. The depot is completely free. It doesn't cost anything to keep it running. The only time you have to pay anything is 99 cents when you're buying something, 99 cents when you're selling something. That is it. No monthly charges, nothing at all. No hidden charges whatsoever. And if you're using a savings plan, then you don't even have to pay those 99 cents, because it is a savings plan where you do not have to pay any kind of fee whatsoever. It is for free. The 25 euros per month that you start investing as a savings plan, that is going to be completely for free for you. TransAlta Renewables is my energy stock in the Scalable Capital portfolio because it is paying out monthly dividends, and I see a huge growth potential for the company going on in the future. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any kind of questions whatsoever, leave it down in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram on Brand Device. I post my dividend updates and what kind of stocks I'm buying and things like that there. And it is also an easy way to connect with you guys. Share this video with one friend of yours who might be interested in investing, and that would mean the world to me. Thank you so much again. I'll see you in the next one.